Hello, everyone, and welcome back to something new that we're actually going to be doing this time. See, normally we're doing Minecraft, but I told you before that I wanted to do more things. This is one of those things. Today, we are going to be playing Pokemon Showdown. For those of you who don't know, Pokemon Showdown is basically, it's like a battle simulator where you can make your own Pokemon without having to like EV train them in like the actual games and then battle them online. Now, I personally like this because I kind of like competitive battling, but I don't like having to train my own Pokemon. So here, I just make out different teams and try them out. So if you guys want to see more of this, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tell me what you think about the series and how I can improve it. Today we're going to be doing the most famous tier, OU, and I'm going to briefly go over the Pokemon that I have here before we do it. Actually, first I'm going to make this shiny. There we go. Yeah. No. It looks better not shiny. Okay. So first we have our Mega Gyarados with Intimidate, and then we'll be Moldraker after Mega Evolving. We're doing a physical offensive with Dragon Dance, Waterfall, Earthquake, and Crunch. And we got Adamant Nature. Then we got Garchomp with Ground DMC, Earthquake, along with Dragon Claw, Crunch, and Stealth Rock. We're doing a Jolly one. We got Latios, Soul Dew with Levitate. Sorry. Allergy season. We're doing Especially Offensive, Timid Nature with Psychic, Draco Meteor, Roost, and Defog. We have our Staraptor with Choice Band Bravebird. Bravebird spam is very hard to counter, so I like, and plus I like Staraptor, so that's a good combo. Jolly with Reckless, so its Bravebird becomes more powerful. And then we've got all those that Chansey is our very defensive one. As you can see, its HP bar is literally too high. Seismic Tox, Wish, Toxic Heal Bell, and Rotom Wash with Thunderbolt, Pain Slip, Hydro Pump, and Volt Switch. Now, for those of you who don't know much about Pokemon, then just take a bit to watch, and you'll learn it in no time. So let's do a battle. Alright, anytime now. Here we go. Alright, so, they've got the Toxapex, a Metagross, a Greninja, a Alolan Muck, a Volcarona, and a Rotom Wash. It's safe to lead Staraptor. I almost always lead Staraptor. Toxapex, interesting. I feel like that this is going to try and protect, so I'm going to switch into Garchomp. Oh. No, it went for Toxic. That's not very good. Earthquake. That could be kind of bad. Because Toxic is kind of bad. Oh, that was a good play. Rotom is immune to ground type moves. I'll set up my rock step. That way any Pokemon that enters will get. Oh, I'm losing quite a bit to Toxic. Gonna have to switch. Let's go to Latios. So, let's drop a Draco. I just realized the Rotom's name is Sock Eater. Sock Eater, because washing machines need socks. Greninja. I have a feeling that that's going to try and pick up the kill on me, so I'm going to switch him to my own Rotom. Because that thing kills me and we get into Ash Greninja, and that is Ash Greninja. For those of you who don't know, Ash Greninja is pretty bad to face. Gonna Thunderbolt here, seems like pretty safe play. Okay, let's see here. What does he do? Switches into Metagross. X. I don't get the reference. We got our leftovers there going off. Should we Thunderbolt or should we go for the Volt Switch? If I Volt Switch, then I have to switch into a different Pokemon. Could be good. Yeah, let's go Volt. Oh, that's a Mega Metagross. I'm barely alive. Alright. Let's go into our... Let's see, do we outspeed? If it's max speed, we don't outspeed, so I'm going to go into Latios. Now, I'm going to drop a Draco. Now, priority moves, go first. Draco Meteor. I take it out, but I have my special attack lowered, but by quite a bit. Well, and now the Greninja is going to try and pick up the kill again on Latios. So we are going to switch into our Chansey, which can basically take tons of hits, as you saw that only did 10% of our health. Now we are going to Toxic. Oh, that took half its health. And there we go, we got the Toxic off on it. So now we are going to Seismic Toss. Oh, Quiver Dance. That's not good. Okay, we're doing fine, we're doing fine. Let's gonna die on the next turn. So I'm going to wish. Oh, it's still alive. Alright, seismic toss. Oh, fiery dance. Let's raise the special attack, but now it's dead. There we go, that's another. Alright, the wish gives us our health back. Alright, things are going kinda well. Alright, our opponent's name is Sick Dark Chaos. Dark Chaos, I think. I don't know. Let's see, we can't toxic that. Our best counter would be Garchomp, but that's low on health. I'm going to go into Gyarados. Oh, that's also kind of bad. 2 toxics. Well, I'm going to Mega Evolve. And I know that they're going to go to switch into Rotom, so I'm going to go for the Dragon Dance. Oh, they didn't switch. Oh, that did quite a bit. Well, I got the Dragon Dance off, so I'm going to Earthquake. Haha, and I one-shot it. Alright, so he just has the Greninja, he has the Muck, he has the Rotom. Greninja could be kind of bad, because it might be able to get the kill. That's my one concern. Yep, Greninja. Now, it could have, let's see, I'm going to risk it and say that it doesn't have anything it can think of. It has Grass Knot. Yep, and now it's Ash Greninja. Okay, so this is kind of bad, so Staraptor. Now, this is why we have Brave Bird spam. Never mind. Let's go into Chansey then. Get a toxic off. See, that only is 50%. Oh, you missed the toxic. You missed the toxic. Come on, it's a choice. Let's just go for a seismic toss. That can toxic me. I am barely alive. What do I do here? I'm going to try and get off a wish. I'm like not going to outspeed, but if I do, yeah, no. Oh, I'm immune to Shadow Sneak, which is priority move, so I get a wish off on whatever comes in. So I'm just going to seismic toss. And see what he does. Okay, I get some damage off. And yep, I'm dead. We're going to switch into Loggia. Oh, wish. Got that wish done, but that's not bad. Let's just drop the Draco. We are barely alive again. But the Muck is down. That just leaves Rotom and Greninja. Do we outspeed? We do not. Pretty much our only hope is Rotom, and Rotom is barely alive. Thunderbolt. Oh no, wait, cancel. Darn it, doesn't matter. Alright, Garchomp, you got this. You got this, Garchomp. Tectonic Rage! Don't outspeed me, don't outspeed me. Please don't outspeed me. It outsped me. That's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. But let's get another battle going, I guess. Time's a wasting. We can do more battling. Maybe I can show off the Rage. Yeah, so Latios and Tangrowth, I faced Tangrowth earlier, those were stalls. Another Ninja, Paladon, Charizard, and Magearna. I'm gonna go Staraptor again. Latios. Okay, let's see its speed. If you can see right at the bottom, you'll see the speed. I am 328. So, if it's max speed, then you'll have to beat it. Switching into Paladon. But I still get off a huge amount of damage. And because we have a choice band, we can only use one move, but it makes our attack a lot higher. You can see, since we had 39 attack normally, but now it's 508 attack. So let's just go for Brave Bird again. Now with Gearna, but that still isn't taking 2. Let's just keep going for Brave Bird. And there goes Magearna. Wow. See, you see the power of Brave Bird spam. It's gonna try and pick up the kill. Into the Rotom. No matter how many times you hit me with water shuriken, I shall survive. Now we are going to go for a thunderbolt. Oh, I didn't think about that. What ground types are completely immune to my electric damage. There we go. The cut-off sound for what that stands for. That's Charizard. I'm predicting that that's its Mega Evolution. Isn't there anything else that can Mega Evolve? So I'm going to go for the Volt Switch. Charizard Y. Drown Weapon. Oh, that's painful. Very painful. The painfulness levels are at the extreme. Let's go Latios. Let's go... Should we drop a Draco? Let's drop a Draco. Yeah. How did you miss? Drop a Draco. That only did 50%. There goes our Soldu. Can't take another knockoff. So I'm going to switch into Chansey. Oh, but that's going to get rid of our Eviolite. No, well, whatever his type and power was, it didn't do much. Give me a Toxic off. And we'll start wearing down the tank road. There goes our Eviolites. We're going to take a lot more damage now. I'm going to go for the Witch. Now, I'm going to go for Toxic again. Oh, and we're dead. Slight Board Latios. Okay, I'm going to go Gyarados. Because when we Mega Evolve, from Start type, it becomes immune to those second type attacks. Oh, but it dropped the Draco. It's still did quite a lot. But we're going to crunch and kill the Latios, so we've got a critical as well. That was a lot more damage. Alright, Mega Charizard versus Mega Gyarados. Does it out to be 328. It's definitely faster than us, so I know that it's going to go for Sword. Latios. Yes. That still did quite a bit of our health. So let's just drop a Draco. And we're dead. I never get to drop the Draco. Also, I just realized my sprite is a female. Why is my sprite a female? Hold on. Let me change it. Change avatar. I want to be... Let's see. I want to be... Pretty sure there's like one person that I always had before. I want to be... I'm this guy. Yes. There we go. Alright, let's just go for the Stealth Rock. Go, and that's going to do a ton of damage that I don't want to take. Let's go to the Dragon Claw. Switch to Dragon Claw. Should I use the Z? Might as well. Just to make sure that something dies. That thing goes going down. There we go. That just leaves the Astro Ninja and the Mega Charizard. I can't let that Greninja get the kill. It has Water Shuriken, it has a priority. It means it'll go before me every time. Water Shuriken, 2 hits. It can have up to 5 hits. A critical hit on that one. It got 5 hits, darn it. Alright, let's go for... Do I go for the Earthquake? It's the best, it'll do the most damage against Greninja, but if he switches to Charizard, then it does no damage. Oh, okay, we have to lick this. 2, 3. Okay, 3 hits. Oh. It's going to come down to whatever better. Yes! Oh, he barely survived that. And he forfeits. Yay for forfeits. Yay. Win by default. Win by default. Yay. Let's go. Alright. Let's start the timer. Ooh, this music is pumping me up. Let's you can leave. Medicham, Lower Marowak, Uranus, that will technically with our strength. Okay, I like this, and I got the Intimidate off on it. Most Salamence are physically offensive, so lowering it is... No, wait, it lowered my attack. Oh. this is bad. I'm just gonna go for now I got to switch into something that can take the hit. I'm going to switch into Rotom. Let's see. I missed the Draco Meteor. Good. I'm going to go for the Thunderbolt, as he has no ground types. Although he does have a Alolan Marowak, and definitely have Lightning Rod, which does negate it. But he goes for Tapu Bulu that activates Grass's Surge. Alright. Okay, so this appears to be a defensive Tapu Bulu. I'm going to go for the Volt Switch to switch into a stronger Pokemon. I'm going to switch into... That's a Fairy type, but I don't think they get Blast, so... It's going to Latios. Right, Energy Ball. I cannot drop a Draco on this because it's completely immune. It's a Fairy type. But I can go for the Psychic. So that's what I'll do. And that did quite a bit. I've got Dazzling Gleam, but we just live. And it will go down to this Psychic. Even if he decides to save it, someone's taking the Psychic. Balmond's taking the Psychic. Now, are we faster? It is 328, we're 282. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna outspeed this, so I'm going to switch into Gyarados. There, now we lower its attack. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to Mega Evolve. I'm going to go for the Crunch. It missed the Draco Meteor again. Work on your Dracos. Drop better Dracos. Alright, well that Salaman's down. And now we've got the Tapu Bulus, we haven't seen the rest of the Magearna. I'm pretty sure that gets the Thunderbolt, so I'm going to switch into Rotom. Dazzling Gleam. Oh, that still did quite a bit of damage, Malay. I don't know what's just happened. So let's go for the Thunderbolt. Oh, something dies. That's gonna take a lot of damage. Okay, so that did how much damage? 23%. No, we lost 23%. This might be able to do it. Oh, it switches the Arcanine. Should have gone for the Hydro Pump. Alright, well let's just go for the Hydro Pump now then. Hydro Pump. Oh! Impressive, but you're still dead. That's the Bulu gone, and the grassy terrain will go away in just a bit. Leaving the Arcanine, the Marowak, the Medicham, and the Magearna. That's likely a Mega Medicham. So Hydro Pump. Yep, Mega Medicham. Ow. I'm pretty dead. Time for Brave Bird spam. Brave Bird. Never mind, I'm dead. Garchomp, your time to shine. Use Tectonic Rage. And die. It's pretty dead. Alright, so. Medicham is down, but we have lost Staraptor and Rotom. That is weak to Earthquake, so I'm going to go for Earthquake. I'm pretty sure that it doesn't get any Ice type moves. It lives on 7. Shadow Ball did barely anything. Get better. I'm going to go for the Stealth Box if we can't do it. Ow, ow. Okay, it only had 2 times. So I'm just going to go for the Earthquake and finish. There we go. He only has the Magearna and the Arcanine left. And they are both very weak to Earthquake. So I'll just spam Earthquake. That's pretty close to dead. Oh, but I forgot that's Fairy type. Don't you hate it when you forget things are Fairy types? So we're going to go into Gyarados. Its speed is 251 at best. We are 198. So if that's max speed, then we're in trouble. If not, we're good. Yeah, it's not. Right. That just leaves the Arcanine, which I'm pretty sure our Mega Gyarados can beat. So we did get a lower attack stat. So let's just go for the Waterfall. Thunder Fang, but we just took it out. There we go. That's what I'm talking about with, I'm pretty sure, yeah, we won all the matches. I say that's pretty good. So, if you want to see more of this, if you want to see a game that I'm actually good at, unlike Minecraft PvP, or PvP, whatever you call it nowadays. Do they call it hipster battles? I don't think they call it hipster battles. They should call PvP fights hipster battles.
Don't listen to me.
But that's it for now.
And if you want to see more Pokemon Showdown, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I shall see you later. So long!